Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly clear conditions to mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, seeing warm temperatures, already warming up into the lower 80s as of 10 a.m. this morning. Going to see lower 90s along the coastline this morning. Should see possibly some mid 90s inland today. So hot day across the region. Dew points are still in the upper 60s or lower 70s. So that's going to give us heat indices just below 100 degrees today, possibly seeing 100 degrees when we have a sea breeze come on shore for later this afternoon, but that would only be for a brief time period before the temperature cools down. Overall today, no chance of precipitation or lightning, and we'll continue to see these hot and humid conditions continuing through tomorrow. Looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 13,400 feet. Winds are light throughout the column this morning, as we do have an upper level ridge in place, seeing strongest winds at 1,000 feet out of the southwest, 18 knots, then seeing winds anywhere from about the southwest and north, and light in general, anywhere from about 5 to 15 knots up to 25,000 feet this morning. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have a Bermuda high pressure in place across the region, ridging back into the Mid-Atlantic region. We have a weak lee trough off the Appalachian Mountains this morning that's going to produce some showers and thunderstorms as well north and west of our region for today. But overall, as I mentioned today, we'll be continuing to see those hot and humid conditions. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see just clear skies across the region, not seeing much in the way of cloud cover, and with continuing with those clear skies for today, just seeing a little bit of cumulus clouds as well as some cirrus clouds across the region today. And looking at our GFS model for the next looking at the 12 kilometer NAM model for the next few days, you can see we do have some showers possibly moving in the region by late Thursday as the remnants of Elsa moves into the region. And that could give us some showers and possibly some breezy conditions for Thursday night into Friday. Right now it looks like Elsa will make landfall on the Big Bend of Florida and then moving up into the Carolinas and then through our region for Thursday into Friday. And right now the system should be fairly weak as it moves through. Could see some gustier winds from time to time as it moves through, and as well as some heavier rain showers. And taking a quick look at the HER model for today, you can see we do have some showers and thunderstorms well off to our north and west, and then moving on through Wednesday, going to see some more showers and thunderstorms well off the north and west and remaining dry across our region. And taking a look at Elsa, you can see it does have a minimum central pressure of 1,007 millibars, so a fairly weak tropical storm, maximum sustained winds at 60 miles an hour, currently moving north-northwest at 12 miles an hour, and it's just south of the Florida Keys at the current moment. Looking in the current visible imagery, you can see we do have some area of convection that's built off to the just east of the center this morning. You see we do have some westerly shear exposing the western side of the storm this morning as well, and that's giving us a lopsided system at the moment with the activity off to the east. And taking a look at the tracks, and you can see it is going to be moving through the Big Bend of Florida and then up along the coastal Carolinas and just off our coast by Friday morning, and should continue to remain a weak storm as it does so. So taking a look at the immediate forecast and the risk chart, we'll have a high of 91 today, a low of 75 tonight. Only thing that is highlighted in the risk chart is the possible and slight chance of a heat index at 100 degrees for later this afternoon. That will only be briefly if it does occur. We'll see winds southwest gusting to 18 knots this afternoon, becoming south-southwest, gusting to 20 to 21 knots for later on this afternoon into the early evening hours. Winds will back down to southwest at 7 to 12 knots overnight. As far as the 24 terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions, just a few clouds possible at 3,000, 25,000 feet today, and we'll continue to see mostly sunny skies through tomorrow morning. Our tides are currently normal. I'm looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, mostly sunny, hot and humid. Slightly breezy by late afternoon, a high of 93 degrees. Wednesday night, partly cloudy and humid, a low of 75. And for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy, with a chance of showers and a very slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Be breezy by afternoon as well. We'll see a high of 86 degrees. Looking at those precipitation chances around 25 to 30% on Thursday, looking like the winds gusting at 23 to 24 knots possible. And really the wind forecast here is dependent on the timing of the weakening tropical storm Elsa as it moves through the region. Could see some winds above 25 knots when that moves through. Just timing of that right now is a bit in question. And then we'll also see a chance of some ceilings near that 500-foot level late Thursday. So looking at our next 7 days, we'll see those hot, humid conditions for today and tomorrow. 93 for tomorrow, and a better chance of seeing those heat indices over 100 degrees tomorrow afternoon. And then 86 on Thursday, still remaining humid across the region. We'll have a 30% chance of that rain shower in the afternoon, and a good chance of rainfall overnight Thursday and Friday with Elsa moving through. And then on Friday evening, we'll have an additional boundary moving through the region. 30% chance of a thunderstorm. We'll see a high of 88 degrees on Friday. And Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 80s across the region. A bit less humid on Saturday with that post-frontal northwesterly wind across the region. Should bring in some lower dew points across the area. And then Sunday, and Monday, we'll have a boundary across the region. It's going to increase our humidity levels and give us slight chances of showers and thunderstorms for both days. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.